So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to build the AI agent in just 2 minutes. Here we have the Google search AI engine, AI agent. So what we can do, I will just clear this, and here I can write the prompt. So currently I write the prompt like who won the recent India's cricket match. Okay, and then when I run this, I will got the results. It's just in 2 minutes of coding. It's only have the 22 lines of code, and it can be created in just 2 minutes. Let me say you the results with you. So it's generating the results. It's getting the articles from the Google one by one, and it's then scrape the all the data from the websites here are the results from the Google search, and this is the results. So it will escape like 2 3 results, then it will generate a summary of this. Like here you can see India won by the 142 runs against England in Bharti Stadium. Okay, then it's a second, and it's a recent one. Like India won by 4 wickets against New Zealand in Dubai International Stadium. Okay, so it's a recent result. So what we have done in coding. So but first jump to the coding. So subscribe my channel. It's my YouTube channel. So here we have the so many AI related videos, many types of projects we have made. Like here are the 28 videos of the AI projects. Okay, so you can check the all the projects one by one. Here is the complete list of the projects. Okay, so let's jump into the coding. So what we have done here, let me say you. So it's like a normal, like we are using the Agno agent here, and it's a Google Gemini. So currently we are using the Google Gemini, but you can use the any Gemini model or any types of models. Like you can use the Grok, you can use the ChatGPT, and even Orama also. Okay, you can use any types of LLM here. So what I did, I just import the Google search tool from here. Okay, and I just add this in my tools, and I write the description like you are a news agent and helps to user find the latest news. Okay, and then I write the instruction like given a topic by the user, respond it with the four news items about the topic. Okay, so this will search on a Google and get the four latest news, and the basis on that it will generate a summary of that. So let's suppose write a new let's talk about the Manas AI. Okay. So if you have not watched my video of the Manas AI, so check it out. I already made a video on that. So I just write a prompt. Provide me the details about the MANUS Manas AI. Okay. Now check this. It's free of cost, by the way. You have not to pay anything for. Okay, it's a completely free. You can use it. It's just a 2 minutes of AI agent code. I will say even not the 2 minutes. It's a 1 minute of coding. It's so much simple coding. Like agent, you have to import, then you have to add the instruction, and then you have to write the print. Okay, so it's you can build in a 1 minute also. So it's let's see like Manas AI revelation full stack solution for the real time data processing collisions 2024 webinar AI powered. So this will give us the results of the minus AI, recent minus AI. Okay, so you can get the all the data about this. So let's talk about the other thing, other example. So I will just add here what is the price of Apple. Okay, now I will run this for this purpose, and I will get the price of Apple on the basis of the articles. You can check the articles length and something. You can increase this 4 to 15 and any numbers you can do. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we got the price of the Apple here. Closing price is 213. Okay, it's giving me the iPhone upgrade circle. Okay, and it's given nasty Q. Okay, and this is key data. Okay, so we are getting the latest data from the Google site. So it's close. So like you can build the AI agents now with 1 minute also. Okay, So if you watch the complete video, then subscribe my channel. It's my YouTube channel, because like everyone is watch my video. Like you can see here, 90% are not subscribe my channel, and only the 9.8% subscribe my channel who watch the video. Okay, so subscribe the channel, and we will meet you in the next video. So take care and bye bye.